Number 2, cling to the promises. Cling to the promises in the Word. Seek them out. Find them. Say them out loud. Write them down. Internalize them. This will help you understand about future grace. God's going to take care of us in His time with His will. Future great. Remember, our future is bright, and internalizing these promises, which are true. God doesn't lie. He's going to bring these promises to fruition in His time. We are going to have ultimate healing from depression when we get to our home in heaven. So cling to the promises. That's biblical prescription to 2. Cling to them, internalize them. Number 3, He took with Him Peter and the 2 sons of Zebedee. So number 3, find friends, true friends, that will stay with you, that you trust, that you can pour your heart out with. And these friends will listen to you, support you, give you constructive criticisms and constructive advice, and just be there. Sometimes it might be just the ministry of presence. In verse 38 in this chapter, Christ says, stay here with me and watch with me. So sometimes the friends don't have to do anything dramatic, but sometimes His friends might include professional help, which requires professional counseling at times and ways to deal with depression. It might even, in some cases, include a medication. So that's number 3, find friends that will stay with you, that you can talk to and be with and pour your heart with. Number 1, walk with God. 2, cling to promises. 3, find friends that will stay with you. Number 4, here is a picture of the molecule tryptophan. Why do I bring this molecule to your attention? Tryptophan is used in the brain to make the chemical serotonin. Serotonin is very important. Now, serotonin does not cross the blood-brain barrier. It has to be created in the brain. The psychiatric medicines that are out there, like Prozac, Zoloft, Lexapro, all of them are a class of medicine called serotonin reuptake inhibitors. So basically, they increase the amount of serotonin available to the brain. The psychiatric medicines like Effexor and Cymbalta, not only do they increase serotonin, but they increase norepinephrine.